Here are the basics of how buttons work in EZPZ Interaction Toolkit. Let's think about a very basic scenario. So let's say we wanted to turn off Mr. Elmo over here, Elmo painting, when we press a button. There's a few ways we can do that, but the easiest way to do it is just to use the pre-made prefab over here that's already inside the EZPZ Interaction Toolkit folder, prefabs, basic interactables, and this button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this into the scene. Let's move it to a location that's convenient for us to access. It looks like it's facing the wrong way, so let's rotate it the right way. And there it is. So right now, if we were to go ahead and click this button, nothing will happen because there is nothing in the primary interact event. So if we wanted to turn off Mr. Elmo painting here, what we need to do is we need to add a line in the primary interact event, talk to the object that we want to manipulate by dragging it into this little slot here, and then choosing the right command. In this case, it's going to be game object, set active. This tick box is already correct because what this means is basically saying it's going to run the set active command and then turn it off. That's basically the mode of what's happening with this set active command. Let's just have a look. And that's how that works. Now, what if we wanted to do the opposite? So let's say we wanted to turn on this invisible painting of Miffy here when we press a button. So we pretty much do the same thing, but slightly differently. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this button here since we already have it. So that's Control D in Windows and Command D in Mac. And instead of talking to Elmo here, we want to talk to Miffy, which is already off. And then we still use the same command, game object, set active. And then instead of this tick box being off, we turn that on because that's going to be activating the object. So then we just go ahead and press play again, see how that works. And that's how we use buttons in EZPZ Interaction Toolkit.